Hello guys. I have something new. Ooh. So after 5 years and 6 years and 6,600, oh my god, 60,000 kilometers with Nolan and 86, I decided to change the helmet. So I bought this one, Nexx Xwed X Patrol. You can see in black, titanium and neon light. It's dual adventure helmet. It's really good. The best thing of this helmet is I don't know if you can see it, but these three vents up here and this one. You get a lot of I don't know, not wind, air, yeah, a lot of air inside it, even if you close this one. I have a lot of accessories for this helmet. You can add a mesh like grill for a little bit off-road thing, but I think I will ride it with this one all the time. The peak can adjust. You have really good angle. You have pin lock inside, and here you have inner, I don't know how to say, glasses, yeah, and they're great too. But because of this peak, when you're driving towards the sun, you don't need that so much. So, but okay, because of the light, you can still use it. Yeah. As you can see, this helmet has 3 points of preparation for the GoPro camera. Here you can see where I put it. The trick is, you can see this side, it's different. You put this out and you put in the new one, screw it with a little screw, because if you put this sticker GoPro, I don't think it will hold it because it's kind of wiggly. So I put it here, you can put it here, and you have some plate, you can insert it here and you can put your GoPro camera here beside. But I don't know, I think it's the best here or here, but it's not so, you know, you can see narrow, no narrow, straight. It's 3 helmets in one. You can drive it like that. You can drive without this or without this with goggles off-road if you want. Inside is really good, it's really comfortable. The downside for me is this. I'm used to Nolan's zip thingy, but I think, yeah, I must get used to this, but that's all. It's quiet, really quiet, and I like it. The price was under 500 euros, so. But this is Nexx company. They do Touratech and I think BMW helmets. It's Portuguese European country. I have 5 years of warranty, so hope that it will last so long like my previous helmet lasted. So hope so. Try it. It's really good. Really, I like the looks. You can see, really good looking helmet. You have different type of colors, but as I can say, this is for me the best color. So yeah, I have size L, so that's 59 to 60. Here you can see you can buy this communication. I think the Sena does for for Nexx helmets. It's 250 euros, I think. And this inner shade, you can see it blocks here and then stays. Really good, really good. The biggest plus is, like I said, ventilation. Really good. And the little noise you get. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed this review. I've done 300 or 500 max kilometers with this helmet, so but for the first few kilometers I noticed the difference between this and the old helmet, because old helmet was like, how can I say, dead. It's over, kaput. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. More videos to come.